First, download the extension, click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once it's downloaded, pin it. Next, open the extension. I'll continue on website. I've already connected it, so the next step is entering the application. After that, you'll be on the main page. Here, you can select target groups. I'll sync them using this button. Then, I will select these ones. Click Confirm to post directly. I'll click Save as List. I'll write test 1, then you can write a post. I've prepared one, so I'll use it. There is also a gem feature to add first comment. It will be published right under your post. I'll select this one with link to my website. You can also attach media. Then you can select posting interval. I'll select random. After that, you can make AI variations. I'll choose light. A unique post will be generated for each group. You can view it here. For first group, it will look like this one. For second group, it will look like this one. And for third group, like this. I'll click Confirm. Finally, you can click Post Now. You can also view queue, for example. I can change order. This group will be posted before this group. I can save it. Finally, the post is published. You can check it in your history here. You can also view the first comment, and finally, here is the post. Thank you for your attention. AI Group Poster is a real time saver. Use it, save time, and never complicate your life with manual posting. Bye!